Crock-pot chicken bolognese sauce with ricotta cheese. The spiciness of the chicken and tomato sauce, as well as the thick, herb-infused ricotta, give this dish a cozy lasagna-like feel. When you place the chicken and vegetables in the slow cooker, you will notice that there isn't much liquid present, but have faith. The fluids generated during cooking end up creating a not too thick ragù that is ideal for saucing spaghetti. Because different types of chicken are more moisture than others, you may end up with more liquid than you prefer. If this occurs, remove the pan from the heat and allow the sauce to cool slightly, and stop bubbling before adding the pasta. 4 servings from 4 ingredients: 12-pound boneless and skinless chicken thighs, 12 yellow or red onion, finely minced 1 small carrot, peeled and chopped, about 1 cup, 4 smashed and chopped garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 1 fresh thyme sprig, or 12 teaspoons dried thyme, 1 fresh oregano sprig, or 12 teaspoons dried oregano, 12 teaspoons red pepper flakes, plus more as desired, 1 teaspoon. Onion powder, black pepper and kosher salt, 1 can of whole tomatoes or crushed tomatoes, 14 ounces. 8 ounces. Pappardelle, tagliatelle, fettuccine, or similar long, thick pasta, 1 cup ricotta, whole or part skim, 14 cup chopped soft fresh herbs, such as chives, oregano, parsley, or basil, or a combination, 14 lemon juice, 1 to 2 teaspoons. A teaspoon balsamic vinegar, 1 bunch of ripped fresh basil leaves. Step 1: combine the chicken, carrot, onion, garlic, tomato paste, olive oil, thyme, oregano, red pepper flakes, and onion powder in a 6 to 8 quart slow cooker. 2 teaspoons kosher salt and a few grinds pepper. Step 2: place the tomatoes and their juices in the slow cooker.